Don't miss this chance to explore Myers Lake Estate, an extraordinary custom-built home with a private lake just steps from the back porch. As you enter the estate through a beautiful fence and gate, you'll find a home that exudes elegance and comfort. Located in Weld County, Colorado, between the towns of Windsor and Eaton, Myers Lake Estate allows a charming small-town atmosphere with easy access to Fort Collins, Loveland, and Greeley. Northern Colorado's mountain landscapes and year-round activities are a simple drive from this home that sits in close proximity to Highway 85 and Interstate I-25. Perched at an altitude of close to 4,700 feet, this area enjoys a beautiful four-season climate. The home spans approximately 5,047 square feet with luxurious living spaces set on more than 48 acres, including a stunning 20-acre private lake. The open floor plan at the heart of this residence presents a large eat-in kitchen, a formal dining room, and a spacious living area centered around a remarkable rock fireplace. The updated kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a large commercial range with double ovens, and ample counter space. The living room is designed to impress with large windows that frame panoramic views of the lake and surrounding farmland set against the majestic Rocky Mountains. The primary bedroom suite offers expansive window views and a lavish bathroom complete with double sinks, extensive cabinets and counter space, a 10-shower-head spa shower, and access to 2 large walk-in closets. Additionally, the home includes 3 more bedrooms and bathrooms and an oversized basement entertainment room for unwinding or entertaining. The meticulously landscaped grounds around the house boast mature trees and a large patio overlooking the lake. For equestrian enthusiasts, the estate features a beautiful horse barn, corrals, pipe fencing, irrigated pastures with water rights, and a caretaker home. The caretaker residence is a 1,320 square foot modular home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms located on a separate parcel. The Morton Building Horse Barn has 2 stalls with electric lights, a feed room, and a tile roof. The estate's 20-acre private lake is a haven for waterfowl enthusiasts, offering abundant hunting opportunities in the winter. The lake could also be developed into a fisherman's paradise, supporting bass, crappie, bluegill, and catfish. Birdwatchers will delight in spotting great blue herons, Canadian geese, ducks, and pelicans that frequently grace this property. An existing Woods Lake water right will be transferred with the property upon purchase. Myers Lake Estate combines luxury living, equestrian facilities, and a wealth of recreational opportunities in an attractive Colorado Front Range setting. Don't miss this unique opportunity to own a piece of paradise. For more information or to schedule a private showing, please contact Dax Hayden at 303-619-6774.